Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cheese and tomato omelette. I'm not using a frying pan, I'm using this little gem. I love it, it's an omelette maker. So when this light goes off here, we're going to put our contents in. So I've already got 2 eggs in the jug, that's all you need, 2 eggs. Put a pinch of salt and pepper in there, and I'm just going to whisk it up. There you go, I've only got 2 eggs, so it doesn't take long at all to whisk them up. So that's fine. So then the light's gone out, as you can see we've only got 1 light now. So it's ready. So just before I switched it on, I give it a little spray of oil in there, and then add your egg. On one side and in the other side. So there's your egg in. Show that. So you can see that. There's your 2 compartments of your omelette. And in there, I'm going to add, which I've already grated, some cheese and cut some tomato. So I'm going to have the cheese, just sprinkle it along so that it's all nice right across your egg. It's bubbling up nicely already. And then I'm just going to put the tomatoes on top of there. 3 tomatoes, 3 half of tomatoes in each section, like that. Lovely. And then it's boiling away, There you go, if you can see it. And now I'm going to close the lid, and that only takes a couple of minutes to cook, just like that. And open it up. Wow, look at that. And lovely. You can see that. Lovely. And here it is, our cheese and tomato omelette from the little omelette maker. It's lovely, it's so easy to clean afterwards, no mess. I love it. Oh, lovely omelette, ready. Any ingredients you want to use, ham, mushrooms, you name it, whatever you like in your omelette, you can put in there. Lovely. Now you just need to enjoy. Okay? See you next time.